Won't building a tunnel for Line 5 protect the Great Lakes?
Well, that's what Enbridge, the owner of the oil pipeline, wants you to believe. First of all, the rest of Line 5 that cuts across Michigan has already spilled 33 times in 1.1 million gallons of oil, so there's that. On land, the walls of the pipeline are way thinner than the section at the Straits. It runs within a stone's throw of at least 50 miles of Lake Michigan shoreline where it crosses rivers and streams that empty into the lake. Along its way back to Canada, Line 5 crosses 400 other bodies of water in Michigan. And remember Enbridge's Kalamazoo oil spill in 2010? That dumped over 1 million gallons of oil into a river. That rupture happened when that pipeline was only 41 years old. Line 5 is now 66 years old and getting older every day. A tunnel here would not do one thing to protect the rest of Michigan here.
Yikes. Enbridge never talks about that. So why is everyone so focused on the underwater section in the Straits?
The pipelines hold 1 million gallons of oil under the Straits at any one time. We dodged a bullet in April 2018 when a ship's anchor dented and gouged both Line 5 pipelines sitting at the bottom of the lake. That could happen again tonight. University of Michigan scientists say that an oil spill in the Straits puts 700 miles of Great Lakes shoreline at risk. Have the pipelines leaked at the Straits? Not yet, but here's the thing. Even if the chance of a rupture is low, which it's not, when you figure in the harm, you get an unacceptable risk. We can't gamble with the Great Lakes.
Well, they better get busy building a tunnel because we don't have time to waste.
Well, time is the problem. Last year, Enbridge said they'd need at least 7 to 10 years to build a tunnel. Governor Whitmer demanded a shorter timeline, so Enbridge changed their tune and said, we can do it in 5. When you look at the Enbridge press release about this, there are so many disclaimers about meeting any deadline, it would make your head spin. They had a chance to show they believe their own timeline, but they wouldn't agree to a date certain to get the pipelines out of the water. Every recent pipeline project in North America has faced permit delays, water and climate change protests, and lawsuits that would delay a tunnel indefinitely. With or without a tunnel, Line 5 is an unacceptable risk to the Great Lakes and the rest of Michigan every single day. A tunnel in the future won't stop the real threat we face right now.
Wow, a tunnel isn't a solution to protect the Great Lakes or the rest of Michigan. We need to decommission Line 5 now.